Hi, I'm Jason Stahl, editor of Body Shop Business. Today's body shops are looking for ways to increase productivity, save money, while at the same time improve quality. Sometimes a review of how some of the basic processes are performed can lead to significant improvements. Today, Tim McKinney, Senior Application Engineer from Evercoat, will provide an in-depth review of the basics of mixing, applying, and sanding body filler and putty to help ensure a quality foundation for automotive paint.
So I'm going to wipe this down and get the dust off of it. And then we're going to apply the 440 Express and look to see if we have any micro pinholes. All right, we're just going to put a little bit of material on here and wipe it into the repair. And then take care of them. Find them, fill them, and fix them all in one process here.
Tim, what is this product you're using right now?
Oh, 440 Express. It's a micro pinhole eliminator. We brought it out some time back to deal with the micro pinholes and micro porosities on products. As the resins have changed for a lot of the high solid, low VOC primers that were coming out there were starting to be some challenges for how those materials were going to work over top of some fillers. So as we started hearing about these really, really small pinholes that were really hard to see, these micro pinholes, we saw that there was a need to fill that, and it actually came out of Europe. So we came up with this product, 440 Express. We apply that product with this foam applicator pad, run it over the whole repair. And what it does is it'll help find, like we have a couple little pinholes right there. We didn't see those from before. We found them, we filled them, and we fixed them. We'd have to wait about 15 minutes to give it a light scuff with the gray scuff pad, but then after that we can take it on directly to primer. Good. So the benefit for the process is I did all my filling in one application. I blocked it one time. I didn't need a putty for the repair, and I put the 440 Express over top of it to speed up the overall process for the priming. So I got this repair done. I only had this block sanded to straight this one time. So we're all about trying to make the technician's job a little bit easier and not having to work so hard with that product.
Well, Tim, thank you so much today for all this information about taking us through the repair process, using Rage Ultra, and showing us that shops can really gain in productivity, throughput, and efficiency. I'm Jason Stahl. Thanks for watching.